Good morning, my dear friends. Hope you all are doing well. So let's start with computer class. Today we'll start our sixth chapter, and sixth chapter name is animation in Scratch. So we all know about a computer is an electronic machine which perform a task based on the instructions given to it. A set of instructions given to a computer to carry out a task is called a program. These instructions are provided to the computer using a specific language that it can understand. These language are known as programming language. It means जब भी आप कंप्यूटर पे वर्क करते हो, we all know about when we write anything on a computer, so we will write in Hindi or in English language, but computer does not understand Hindi and English language. Computer understand only binary language, that is 0 and 1 form. Means जो भी हम उस पर इंग्लिश में लिखते हैं, पहले CPU उसको प्रोसेस के थ्रू उस लैंग्वेज को बाइनरी लैंग्वेज में ट्रांसफ़र कर देता है जो कंप्यूटर अंडरस्टैंड करती है. फिर उस लैंग्वेज से कंप्यूटर वर्क करता है. सो उस लैंग्वेज को क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. सेम Scratch is also a programming language. It has been specially designed for young students. Scratch provides a graphical environment to create the program. Scratch क्या provide करता है? Graphical environment. Why? Because in which we create any picture, we will apply any animation effect. हम इसमें animation apply कर सकते हैं. That's why a graphical environment. Okay, it has inbuilt graphical character called sprite. इसमें क्या होता है? एक inbuilt character होता है. This is called a sprite. इसका नेम क्या है? एक cat है, and by default cat sprite is selected. Okay, ये एक cat है जो sprite में होती है. By default sprite name is cat. And we can change another sprite also. हम इसमें और भी sprite change कर सकते हैं with the help of sprite button. Look here so many sprites effects are there, but by default your which sprite is come? Cat. Clear? Features of Scratch. Features क्या है Scratch के? Scratch is available free of cost. It is easy to understand and learn. हम इसको easy to understand कर सकते हैं and learn कर सकते हैं. Now I will tell you about component of Scratch window. Components क्या है Scratch window के? First, this is our title bar. Clear? This is our title bar. These are the block palette. This is our sprite area. This is sprite list. This is stage, and this is sprite. Okay, so I will tell you one by one. First, sprite. Sprite is an object or graphical character that you see on the Scratch stage. आप एक sprite देखते हो स्क्रैच स्टेज में, और वो क्या है? एक ऑब्जेक्ट है और ग्राफिकल करेक्टर है. सो स्प्राइट इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट और ग्राफिकल करेक्टर. क्लियर? एंड बाय डिफॉल्ट द कैट स्प्राइट इज सेलेक्टेड एंड डिस्प्लेड इन द मिडल ऑफ द स्टेज. बाय डिफॉल्ट कौन सी स्प्राइट होती है आपकी? कैट. लुक हियर, दिस इज अ कैट स्प्राइट एंड वेयर इट इज डिस्प्लेड इन द मिडल ऑफ द स्टेज. ये आपकी क्या स्टेज विंडो है, और ये आपकी कैट कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है? कैट कहाँ पे डिस्प्लेड है? मिडल ऑफ द स्टेज. नाउ व्हाट इज स्टेज? स्टेज, it is the main working area to draw pictures or perform actions. Stage is the place where sprites move and interact with each other. It is divided into x and y coordinates. मीन्स ये आपकी क्या है, ये आपकी स्टेज विंडो है और यहाँ पे हम पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ करते हैं और एक्शन परफॉर्म करते हैं। क्लियर? और ये किस में डिवाइड होती है, एक्स एंड वाई कोऑर्डिनेट मीन एक्स वैल्यू और वाई वैल्यू के में डिवाइड होती है। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज स्प्राइट लिस्ट। ये क्या आपकी स्प्राइट लिस्ट है। क्लियर? इट इज लोकेटेड बिलो द स्टेज। ये कहाँ पे लोकेट करती है, बिलो द स्टेज, एंड डिस्प्ले द थंबनेल्स ऑफ ऑल द स्प्राइट दैट वी हैव selected. Block palette. The block palette contains various predefined blocks that you are used to perform specific tasks. With the help of these blocks, we can perform any task. Sprite area. What is this? This is called a sprite area. The collection of stepwise instructions given to a sprite. Next is view full screen. The view full screen mode or presentation mode button is located at the top corner. Look here, this is full screen. Okay, by clicking on this button you can view the presentation of your project in full screen. Now we will start a repeating action. Repeating action का क्या use होता है? Repeat instructions help in controlling the execution of the program. You can repeat the actions of the sprite as many times as needed. Using these blocks और आपका उससे क्या होगा, sprite जो है, cat जो है, वो आपकी repeat करेगी many times. कैसे? Firstly we will click on control blocks. In control blocks click on repeat. इसको आप firstly click on repeat and drag into your stage. Drag into your sprite area. Okay, now we will change the value of repeat 15. Clear? After we will insert one more block of motion. Click on motion, then click on turn forward 50-degree block. Drag into your block area, then you will click on move. You will choose move 10 steps and we can change the value 10 to 30. Then we will add a stamp block. So how we will add a stamp block? Stamp block in a pen. So firstly we will click on add extension, then we will click on pen. In pen your stamp block is there. You will click on stamp. So look here, this is our one program set of instructions. Here we are added the multiple blocks means set of instruction. Now we will run this program using go button. Okay, green flag is for go button and red is for stop. So now we will use this program and sprite follow these instructions. Sprite follows these instructions. Look here, when we press this instruction, so your sprite moves repeat multiple times like this. This is the way how you will use repeating action.